Hello. In this video, we will do some practice questions on the addition and subtraction number facts. So here I have taken these questions in which there are fill in the blanks. If you read my first question, it is 5 add something is equal to 13. And all of these belong to one number trio. Okay, so we have to complete these number facts based on few numbers given and few numbers missing. All right, so now we don't know the third number of this equation. No equation is given as complete, so it is very difficult to identify the all the number facts. So what we will do in this method is we will use our triangle method. Here I have already drawn my triangle, and what information I already know is my sign minus and plus goes this way on the triangle. Now I am not sure which number should go where, okay? But I know my plus sign sits on the bottom, right? So now look at the first equation. 5 plus something is equal to 13. So I know 5 plus something. So this is plus sign. I'm looking at the sign first. I know this is plus sign. So this equation, these two numbers clearly go on the bottom of the triangle. So let's start filling the numbers. So 5 and then something will go on the bottom of the triangle. When these two numbers go on the bottom of the triangle, I know the third number, the remaining number is my answer. So my answer, I know it is 13. So where should it go on the triangle? On the third remaining corner. Okay, so now I know my two numbers of the triangle complete, and third number I have to find out. Okay, if you remember, I have told you when you are working on the sides of the triangle, you go downwards. All right, so now we can work out one full equation, which is 13 minus 5. Right? Yes. So we can work out 13 minus 5, and answer to this equation will be my third remaining corner of the triangle, third remaining number of the triangle. So let's first calculate 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So I have calculated this equation, okay? And now this number I can easily fill in here because I know answer to this equation will go on the third side, third corner. Okay, so now my triangle is complete, right? I don't have to calculate any other equation. I can simply fill in the numbers. So look at the first equation, 5 plus, so 5 plus, what's the second number on the bottom? 8. So let's just fill the number from the triangle. Now something plus 5. So where is your plus equation? Your plus equation is on the bottom of the triangle, which is this one. So I know my 5 and the other number 8 will come here, and the remaining number is my answer to this equation. So remaining number is 13, which will come here. Now 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. We have already solved. For this equation, I don't know what number should come here, okay? But I can see this is my minus fact, and minus fact comes on the sides of the triangle. I have already used one side, so this time I will use this side, okay? And when I work on the sides of the triangle, I read from top to bottom. So top number will come in the first place of the minus equation. So my top number is 13. 13 will come here minus 8 is equal to 5. Yes or no? Correct? So this way, once I draw my triangle, once I fill in my number, I can easily complete these number facts, right? Let's see one more question for the practice. Here I have got some number facts. Some of the spaces are blank in the equation and some of the numbers are given. Again, I will use my triangle method. I will first fill in the signs. I know minus goes on the sides and plus goes on the bottom. Let's start working with the first equation. 9 plus something is equal to 17. So I know plus equation goes on the bottom. So let's fill in the number 9. So 9 will come here and something which I don't know, it will come here. Okay. And the answer to this equation, I know in the number fact it is given as 17. So I will put 17 here. Okay. Now in this triangle, my two numbers are complete and I have to calculate the third number. So what I will do, I will take the side of the equation, side of the triangle where my two numbers are given. Okay. So my two numbers are given on this side. I will do 17 minus 9. Why 17 minus 9? Because on the sides of the triangle we work from top to bottom. So I will calculate 17 minus 9, which is 8. Okay, because I know 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and the answer of this equation will go on the remaining corner of the triangle, which is this one. So I will fill 8. Now I know all the numbers of my triangle, right? So it is easy for me to fill in my number facts. So let's look at how to fill in 9 plus, go on the plus side, which is this one, and fill the remaining number 8. And check whether you have got 17 on the top of the triangle. Yes, correct. Now let's look at the next equation. 8 plus, now I have to find out the missing number of this equation. So I know this is the plus equation, right? So I will go on the plus side, which is this one, and the two numbers of this side are 8 and 9. 8 is already given, so I will fill 9 here. And answer to this equation will be the remaining number of the triangle, which is again 17, right? Okay, so I have completed this one as well. Now I will go to the third number fact. 17 minus something is equal to 9. Now look at 17 minus 9. There are two facts possible. 17 minus 9. But I cannot see 9 here because 9 is the answer part. So I will use the other side, 17 minus 8. I will this time use this side, 17 minus 8, and the answer part is 9. Okay. Now after finishing this fact, I have to use or I have to write my fourth fact of the triangle, but this time I am not given any number. But I know I have already used one fact, which is this one. I have already used one fact, 17 minus 8. So it is clear. This time I will be using this side, right? So this side is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So have you seen now, if you are able to find out your triangle and if you are able to somehow fill in the numbers on the triangle, it becomes very, very easy to complete your number facts, right? Because most of the time you are given one or two numbers and then rest of the number facts with missing numbers where you have to solve by yourself. Okay, so just try to understand the logic of the triangle, Make the triangle, try to fill in the numbers based on the given facts and complete the triangle first. Once you complete the triangle, it becomes very easy to find out the remaining numbers from the missing facts. Okay? Thank you.